Hello friends, welcome back. If you're here, it's because you would like to know about this pressure washer gun. I'm going to unpack it, show you what's inside, and we'll take it from there. So upon unpackaging, this is what we get. We get the pressure washer gun, which is a short throw, and we get the additional connectors along with some Teflon to go along with it. We have the user manual, and as is always the case, make sure to read it so that you understand how to operate your device. I'm going to put this together, give you a brief look as of how it performs, and then I'll detail my final thoughts on this review. Thank you. All right, my friends, so I have it connected, and to be honest with you, it works pretty nicely. Look, I'm using the white tip, which creates an opportunity for it to be more aggressive when it comes to water, and it's performing beautifully. I really do like it, especially because it's short throw. It allows me to get into uncomfortable spaces. You see? Sorry about the motorcycle. But it allows me to go into tighter spaces, record. So this is pretty good. I like it. There you go. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do ask, and if at all possible, I will respond. Thank you, and until the next one, my friends.
Hi, I just want to give a quick live look of this high-powered washer spray gun. It's pretty awesome. Better than the one I had, the one that came with my pressure washer. But yeah, I find it's not bad, especially for the price. You got, little extra things here, and but yeah. These are just the nozzle tips if, this is the first time getting this. And I just wanted to give you a quick live look, and definitely great quality and feels heavy duty to me. Anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or great evening, and thanks for watching my video review.
Está bien, ajá.